Hello everybody, another kit from KPM, this time another Miles, and it's the Miles Hawk Major, not the Magister but one similar design, used as a trainer in military service, it says there. 172, so one of the options. You also got civilian versions for the they produce. We got RAF during the war, before the war, and Portuguese version from Portugal. And yeah, so that's the box. Nice picture, isn't it? I think so. Nice, good artistic representation. And inside, got all these parts, all of them, one sprue, which isn't surprising really, considering it's a very simple aircraft. Wings, middle, tail, spats, and you're there. So I'm going to take it out of the packet anyway, because you have a close look at it. Got to be careful because they've used the same old cellophane, not cellophane, you know, what do you call it, acetate part for the canopy options. Put that aside. It's a good idea, mind. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's a good idea. Decent, not too thick. They're decent decals. And the instructions should be simple as the kit, because there are one sheet. Nice little painting and decal position diagram. Nice painted parts. Got decals for harnesses. The sprue diagram. Various bulkheads to go between the seats. And yeah, it's very straightforward. And the engine there. Got a little bit of a headrest behind the back seat. Exhaust there, look. And the spats, as you put the wheels inside. I'll have to have a look at this sprue because I'm not sure if they actually get the wheels to move. That's going to be interesting for me to find out. Right. Let's try to find out straight away then. That seems to be just a stopper, doesn't it? Put that aside. That just seems to be a sort of a stop. So these wheels don't rotate, but they do have get in focus it. There we go. There's a shape to them, isn't it? They don't rotate. You just slot them in, I think. You put them in. Surprise. Same slightly rough feeling on the plastic, but I think that'll help paint stick to it. A little bit of flash there, but nothing at the side of a blade can't get rid of. These you got a lot of kit options. There might be more flash on the seat there, but again, that's sort of fingertip flash as you get off with a fingernail. It's not a problem. And good detail, recessed panel lines, and not a lot of external detail, but you wouldn't expect it inside a very small canopy. And the decals for the, as I say, for the instrument panels. So yeah, that's the KPM's Hawk Major trainer kit. I'll put that together off camera. So yeah, I think it's another good purchase. I'll put that together in a week when time comes, which could be a couple of years yet because I got 80 odd kits. Alright, bye bye. Ta-da.